everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today is our day 5 of our Kerala series. Today we are going to the most interesting destination, that is the Jatayu Earth Center, which has the world's biggest sculpture of a bird. So a quick backstory before we get there. Jatayu Earth Center is not just an amazing tourist destination, but it's also steeped into Indian mythology. According to Ramayana, Jatayu was a massive eagle who tried to rescue Sita from Ravana. During this battle, Jatayu fought bravely but fatally wounded and fell right to the earth at this very region. So once you reach the Jatayu Earth Center, you have 3 ways to reach the top to visit the bird sculpture. One is you can take the steps, which is 800 steps in total, and you can also go by cable car, or you can also opt for an helicopter ride. I will let you know the pricing details in this video, so keep watching. If you opt to reach the top by steps, then there are no charges for it. Just the entry ticket is sufficient. However, if you want to opt for helicopter ride, it will cost you 3,500 rupees per person. Here is a quick glimpse of this amazingly looking sculpture. It takes around 10 to 15 minutes for the cable car to reach the top. You can also opt for one-way cable car. You can also visit the Ram Mandir, which is just beside the sculpture, and it really feels peaceful and the view from the top is amazing. These are some of the nearby destinations around Jatayu Earth Center. For lunch, we had Kerala special thali in food court and took the cable car back to reach the entrance. So our overall experience visiting Jatayu's Earth Center was fabulous, which included the cable car and this beautiful sculpture. So definitely worth the money and worth the visit. So we chose cable car, which costed around 600 two-way trip, and also beside the Jatayu's sculpture there is another beautiful temple of Ram and Sita, so you can visit that as well. And there's a viewpoint in the center where you can capture beautiful pictures. We loved each and every part of it, just that the weather was too hot for us. So if you're planning to visit, we suggest you plan it probably in the evening hours. As we had nothing else planned for this day, we are heading back to our hotel. Welcome to day 6 of our Kerala series. Today we are here at Mangrove Village Adventures, which is located near Varkala. This place is very popular for its kayaking and boat safari. It actually gave us a vibe of Alleppey due to its unlimited coconut trees. This is going to be our first ride. This is the boat safari. Let's go! Welcome to Mangrove Village Adventures. This is one of the famous activities to do in Varkala. So this is our first activity, that is boat safari, and you see behind me they're all doing kayaking, so that's another option. Did you ever imagine getting lost in the beauty of nature? If so, then this boat safari will give you a memorable experience, as it passes through some of the most beautiful landscapes of Kerala, amidst coconut trees and stunning mangroves. We're going inside. This is so much fun. Wow, the view from here is amazing. Look at that. There are so many coconut trees. The view from here is amazing. So now we are entering the second tunnel. Wow.
sounds of the forest. The birds chirping. Wow. So we are now entering the arch. This is the main highlight of the boat safari today. Look at this, surrounded by all coconut trees. After that 1 hour of adventurous boat safari, we have reached the start point for our next adventure.
After the boat safari, we did kayaking but couldn't record it. You must experience this too. Other than water activities, they have sky cycling, and in case you want to stay over by the backwaters, they do have camp stays. We suggest going for boat safari and kayaking post 3 p.m. to avoid humid climate. There are a lot of activities that they offer, and one of them is the ATV ride. We will share the contact details in the description below. We're now heading to our next destination.
Wow. So while we were heading to the Varkala beach, we stopped here because look at this. On the left side you see there's backwaters, and on the right side there's this beautiful beach. And here are the quick glimpses of this beautiful road.
On the way to Varkala beach, you will come across Kappil beach, which is popular as you will see backwaters and sea just beside the road.
Look at this beautiful beach! We're flying our drone right now to capture this beautiful vision.
There are plenty of street shopping options available at the cliff of Varkala. So if you're a shopping lover, this is a paradise for you all. Sunsets in Varkala are really beautiful, especially from the cliff. So we wanted to visit this place during early evenings to get some sunset drone shots.
Welcome to Varkala!